Hello everyone, a quick recap here from the trading session August 24, 2012. I was looking actually for some counter trend trading um, on Friday because euro dollar and cable have been in quite some overbought conditions here. If you look at the chart in the euro dollar in the 50-minute chart, you see that Eurodollar had a nice run up here and we completed a 5 wave pattern. We had the initial impulse wave here, the retrace, the third impulse wave, the fourth retracement, and then the last impulse wave to the upside, the fifth wave. So we got that 5 wave pattern completion here. So I was looking actually for some kind of ABC correction and went short then pretty early with Frankfurt Open momentum at that point here. As you can see at that time of the day, we had the 2 hour 20 EMA here in the way, so I only had to look for a few pips here because I didn't know if we get a strong bounce of that level or not. Obviously we didn't then in hindsight, but that was good for 12 pips. As you can see, we also bounced back then to that 30-minute 20 and then came all the way down to that 100 hourly bounce of that back to the pivot, and now it looks like we really complete the ABC correction, and then we can look maybe for long trades then next week. But that was just a quick scalp here on momentum. But you can also see we reached the 200 Fibonacci expansion level from the first impulse wave and the 61.8 level from the third impulse wave. So overall, I considered that pattern as completed to the upside, so I was looking for counter trend trades here. My next trade was in the cable, the pound against the dollar here. Looks a bit like the euro dollar, also had a very nice run up, and the first impulse wave started down here, and we got all the way to the 200 Fibonacci expansion level. Also hit the 61.8 retracement level in the daily chart, so expected some seller stepping in here. Already took a few shorts and up here, but for the room I was looking for a high probability trade just for a few pips. We had the Asia low here where my black line is, and I was looking for a break for that, so we put just a limit order slightly below that level. Was only looking for 4 pips because at that point we were very near to the 100 level here from that from the 50-minute Fibonacci expansion level here to the downside. So expected algorithm stepping in here, buying some back, and yeah, that plan went well. Took the few pips here. We bounced a bit higher then, but also came back to the 100 hourly, also to the 161.8 fib expansion level here. Yeah, so now we are retracing basically from the 200 level back to that 100 level from the first impulse wave, and now I can look for longs again here with the trend, but at that point also overbought conditions. That pair was up for some retrace here. Now that retracement is completed, maybe in my view, but I think that was a high probability trade, and overall we took 16 pips here for the day.